Let me assure you that you are not the only one. We all have faced it at some point in our lives or are still facing it. They are the bullies. In society, you will often come across some obnoxious beings who are intolerant and seeks pleasure by irritating or disturbing others. For some, it is a kind of an entertainment and hobby. They simply try to intimidate us to make us do something that we don't want to do. The bullies often try to make us feel bad about ourselves, and in most times they succeed. They're often a source of depression for many students, especially in the high schools. So now the question is there any way to deal with the bullies, or we will just have to succumb to the derogatory remarks that they are making about us? The most important step to deal with the bullies is to use your hegemonic power. It basically means that you will not deny what they are saying or asking you to do by using force, but try to convince them why you don't want to do it. You need to know that most bullies have become like that because they are not loved by anyone. Hence, if you treat them well, you can solve the problem from its roots. Remember that there is no substitute for hard work. If you keep on working hard and just believe in your own capabilities, there is no force on earth that can derail you from your track. Just stay focused and let them talk whatever they want to. Your success will speak for yourself. Once you are successful, they will move away by themselves. Remember, former US Presidents Bill Clinton and Barack Obama were bullied when they were a child. It very well justifies how success is the best answer to all your problems. You know it very well that empty vessels make more noise. You should also try to understand and realize that why you are being bullied. If you understand that it is your fault that is making you a laughing stock, you need to work on them and groom yourself. If you are bullied and you know that you are going wrong somewhere, it might be your way of approachability or way of speaking. You need to work on it and overcome that problem of yours. It is also very important to face the bullies boldly. As much as you try to hide from them, they will hunt you even more. Think of the bullies as some challenges in your life and face them boldly. Listen to what they say, but never take what they say seriously. Hence, stay focused and don't get distracted. Most importantly, use your brains and not brawn to deal with the bullies. Do not waste your energy on something that will not give you anything in return. Hence, keep on educating yourself, which will help you to outwit them. Keep yourself engaged in different kinds of works, and automatically you will stop paying attention to what a bully says. If you know someone who is being bullied, you should help him or her, and if it is serious, then you should definitely report it to an adult. Don't get bullied or let anyone get bullied.